What is going on, YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be giving out 6 stocks that have over a 10% dividend yield right now. So that means if you invested $10,000 into these stocks in a year, you would get $1,000. That's $1,000 in dividends. So if you invested $100,000, you would get $10,000 a year in dividends. These are I'm just giving you some lists here. Do your own research with these because I haven't done that much research. I just looked up the highest dividend yielding stocks I could see. So do your research before you invest. With dividends like these, you never know. Stock price could go down. You still might get some money in dividends. It might not be worth the risk to invest, but I'm just giving you some stats. Some of these could go up and you make money on top of the dividends. But let me know in the comments some stocks you would like to, or some stocks you're looking into with some high dividend yields, because I might have missed a few. But everyone in here is above 10%, so you're at least making $1,000 a year in dividends. Let's get right on to it. Alrighty, so starting off the video, we are going to be coming in with Dine Brands Global Inc., where they have a dividend yield of 10.2%. We're going to be doing a calculator every one for an example here of $10,000. So you invest $10,000, times that by 10.12%. I can't even find that. You'd be making $1,012 off dividends. As you guys can see of this stock, this company's been around for a while. Started at $7 back in the 90s, early 90s. Had some up and downs here. They're headquartered in Pasadena, California. Their revenue is almost $1 billion in the U.S. of 2019. 1,000 employees. And they're publicly traded food and beverage company out of Pasadena, California. Again, I'm not telling you guys to invest. This is not financial advice. I'm just giving you some facts of some high dividend yields. But as you can see, it has went up. I haven't done my research on this, but I'm just giving you straight up facts. 10.12% is pretty crazy. So that would give you $1,000 a month in dividends. Let's go. Number 2 on this list, we got Movado Group coming in with a dividend yield down here of 10.27%. So if we do $10,000 invested into this stock times 10.27%, we'd be making $1,027 a year off of dividends. As you can see, this stock has also been around a long time, just like the Dine Brands Global over here. This has been around for a long time. They do watches and stuff like that. Same CEO since 2001. 1,300 employees and a revenue just under what they were doing, about $750 million in 2023. As you guys can see, this stock has went up pretty high and crashed a couple times. Again, not financial advice. I'm going to probably say it 100 million times. Do your research, but looks like it's at lows. It's probably at lows for a reason, but could make money with the stock and the dividends since they're paying 10.27%. Might be one to take a shot for. All right, on to the next one. All right, number 3 on this list, we got Noble Corporation PLC. This is a Noble brand here. Looks like this stock's only been around since 2021 from what I can see. So it's basically at what it opened at a while back then. Founded in 1921, 5,000 number of employees. It's a parent organization of Noble Corporation. I don't know what the PLC is. I really don't. I guess it's Pacific Limited. 5,000 employees though, and stock price is at what it was originally. Doesn't seem like a bad buy. Of course, do your own research. This would make you $1,030 a year if you invested into Noble Corporation just off of dividends. So I don't know if this is as good as the other two, honestly, just from what I'm looking at here. But let's get on to the top 3 here. All these are going to be way higher than 10% going forward. So let's get on to it. All right, now we're getting into the juicier percentage points, but looking at the stock, I'm sure you can see why. We have AG Mortgage Investment Trust Company, or Inc. here, invested in 2011. It's a trust, so no number of employees there. That kind of scared me at first, but, or maybe not. I don't. That's weird. Okay. I would do research on this one. Obviously, you can see, but it's been trading pretty much sideways for $7 for ever since COVID. $6. But hey, you get 13.29. I mean, this one left me flabbergasted just reading that. I don't understand how this works. I'm just giving you the facts here. So this one, a lot higher interest rate though, or dividend yield. So $10,000. Sorry about the interest rate. I made videos about high yield savings accounts. So I'm currently in that mode with interest rates. But $10,000 invested into this stock here would get you $1,329. This gives you a lot more. As you can see, past 5 years, dude, it's just been trading sideways. If you look at the past 5 years, year sideways. But max, dang, you don't want that. I guess they got rid of. I don't know. Do your research. All right, on to some juicier ones. All right, coming in with the second highest dividend yield rate we can find so far, we got Sunrise Reality Trust. Guess these trusts just don't have employees. I don't know much about them. I'm just giving you the facts on the dividend yield with the stocks. This one's only been out not even a year, it seems like, with their stock price, and they're at all-time lows. Maybe it's a good time to buy at a low. Not giving financial advice, because obviously this is at an all-time low here. It could go to zero. But hey, 14.07. That means you'll be making $1,407 if you invest 10K into this stock. I don't know why you would, but hey, you got some money you want to throw into it and try to get some dividends, and maybe it shoots back up and you double your price, and then you freaking made $21,000. Who knows? But this isn't financial advice, but we're going to get on to our number one roller here with the highest dividend yield rate right now. Coming in at the highest dividend yield that we can find, we have 16.56% here with Two Harbors Investment Corp. See, this one's an investment corp, but it's not a a trust like the other ones. This one was founded in 2009, so been around a lot longer. As you can see, it looks like these 2020s really killed these trusts, but they came back up here. It's basically at its all-time low right now. So maybe a good time to get in for this dividend. So if you invested a whopping $10,000 times 16.156%, that's crazy to me. You'd be making $1,656. And then, of course, if you did this with $100,000, you would times that by 10 because, oh, that's not it, 10. You would be making $16,000 a year in dividends. This is a crazy high rate here, and for the past, let's just say, year, it looks like it's been trading pretty much sideways. You know, the market's down right now, so it might be a good time to get up. I mean, you're getting that dividend yield here. If you're investing 10K, that's $1,600 a year you're making. It's higher than any savings rate or anything like that, and it looks like it's been trading sideways. And I mean, honestly, past 5 years, yeah, it's down a little bit, but it could be worth the risk. It could not. I'm just giving you the facts. That's a crazy high dividend yield rate. Again, do your own research with these. Search them up. Do what you want with them and stuff like that. So let's get on to the outro. Alright, this was just a video showing you guys everything above 10% dividend yield. Not telling you guys to invest into any of these. As you saw, some crazy dips. So you don't know, the stock could just plummet to zero one day. I don't know. Do your research before you invest in these, but I was just showing you guys some crazy high dividend yields. Let me know if there's any other stocks that have some good dividend yields. Like I know Coke and stuff like that. They have some good ones. I know SCHD if you're into some ETFs and stuff like that. But I'm just giving you the highest info here. So let me know in the comments anything you'd like. Make sure you guys type a big fat W if you made it this far in the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.